Good evening. My name is Muhammad Ridwan bin Napawi, and my matrix number is CD240097. I am from Faculty of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering, and my course is aircraft manufacturing. Today, I want to present about the Project 1, Engineering Technology Mathematics 1. For the first question, an airplane travels horizontally at 600 km per hour at an altitude of 3 km towards an observer that is currently 10 km away. And for the first question, we need to sketch a diagram of the given situation. This is the answer of sketch diagram for the first question. The aeroplane with the altitude of 3 km fly toward observer in 600 km per hour. The question is, find rate of change, angle elevation, how fast angle between ground and observer line of sight to airplane changing. This is the solution of the diagram above. Tan theta equal to y over x. Differentiate d over dt both sides. So we get the d over dt tan theta equal to d over dt yx to the power of -1. Then second square theta d theta over dt equal to negative yx to the power of -2 dx over dt. Next, second square theta d theta over dt equal to negative yx to the power of -2 dx over dt. We need to multiply both sides of 1 over second square theta. Then d theta over dt equal to 1 over 1 per cos square theta negative y x to the power of -2 dx over dt equal to d over dt equal to cos square theta negative y x to the power of -2 dx over dt. Next, you can fill in the values from question and the triangle above. So equal to 10 over square root 109 to the power of 2 multiplied by -3 over 10 square multiplied by -600. After that, 10 square over 109 multiply -3 over 10 square multiply -600. Then we cut the 10 square to get the final answer of 16.513 radian per hour. Next, for the second question, give an airplane travel horizontally at speed of 500 km per hour at an altitude of 3 km above. An observer sees the airplane flying toward him at angle of 60 degrees. Therefore, for the question A, the question asks to sketch a diagram based on the question above. This is an example of the sketch that airplane travels horizontal at 500 km per hour toward observer in 60 degrees on altitude of 3 km. Next, for the question B, solve the given situation by finding the rate at which the angle of elevation is changing at instant. That means we need to find d theta over dt. Find z by using SOH. So, sin 60 equal to y over z, then z equal to y over sin 60. Before that, we need to find x using TOA. So tan 60 equal to y over z, then x equal to y over tan 60 equal to 2 square root 2 per square root 3. And then we need to multiply both sides by square root 3. Then we get 3 square root 3 per square root 3 to the power of 2. And get the answer of square root 3. Then we can find z equal to 3 per square root 3 per 2. Then we need to multiply 2 on both sides. Then we get 6 per square root 3, and we need to multiply square root 3 this to simplify. So equal to 6 square root 3 per square root 3 to the power of 2 and get the answer of 2 square root 3. Then we can calculate the rate based on question. And secant square theta d theta over dt equal to negative y x to the power of negative 2 dx over dt. We need to multiply both sides with 1 over secant square theta, and we get the answer d theta over dt equal to 1 over 1 per cos square theta multiply negative y x to the power of negative 2 dx over dt. And then d theta over dt equal to cos square theta negative y x to the power of negative 2 dx over dt. And then we can fill in the value from the equation and the triangle above. So we can get the square root 3 over 2 square root 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by negative 2 over square root 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by negative 500. And then we can calculate using the calculator. And we get the final answer of 125 radian per hour.